Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Radical Lines Garage. And this is part 3 of the Chrysler Royale Limousine build. It's Matthias' car, and we are fitting the engine and trans in the frame right now. In this episode you will see us finishing up welding the frame, getting it dropped down on the floor, and mocking up the steering rack as well. So let's begin.
Tio längre. Här ska vi plussa på 2, 10 och så lite blå.
Matthias and me have been measuring, and finally jigged up the front end. Was it easy?
No.
But it's there now, and now we are. He has made a template for the kick-up, and we're gonna plate it. This will be left still on, and then we will plate and plug weld it on both sides, plus box it on every side, so it will be plenty strong. But it's there.
Yes.
Big leap forward. en framtung. Borde den inte vara.
Tycker inte det. Vi får lösa fram och bak.
Går det att lyfta där vid dig? Om vi tar med spett eller någonting. Vad har vi där? Jag tänker om vi kan lyfta bort det. Ja, det är ingen spänn på. The frame is off the, what do you call it? Chassis rig for the first time. And now we're gonna assemble it and put it on wheels and put on the body just to see how it looks. Big moment. So the engine is mounted. The engine mounts are welded. The engine is mounted straight. And now we are manufacturing a gearbox mount. Just gonna do these are some kind of universal bushings, and this we are gonna keep it simple. We have to do square tubing over to here and bolt it from underneath and drill 2 holes for these 2 studs. Then we are done with the engine package. And all the modification on the frame is done as well. So big step. So as you can see, we have installed the steering rack. It's a Mustang 2 steering rack. But we have done a hiccup. We assumed the mounting points were center of the steering rack, but it isn't. If you can see here and here. So we need to move it pretty far to the right. Might have to chop a little bit off this and move it even more to the right to get it centered, because right now it's gonna be bump steer, because that's shorter and another angle than that one. And we have also installed the airbags in the front. Nice. Engine and transmission is in and mounted, and we have started the flooring and trans tunnel. We have also built together the drive shaft from Mopar, from old Mopar to new Mopar. So that's, the yoke is from a 727 gearbox, and the drive shaft is from the Chrysler rear end, and that's from 2005. So that's done, and the first part is installed, and we have started to do the trans tunnel. Now we have redesigned the steering rack. Beefy and better angles on the spindles and the steering, what do you call it? Steering joints. So need to fully weld that one, And we have also started on the rear floor. We're gonna bead roll a few lines, and we have a few rails, reinforcements there. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching.